Here are the top 5 productivity hacks millionaires use daily. Number 5, they wake up early. Not all millionaires are early risers, but most of them have one thing in common. They have a morning routine that helps them get the most out of their day. Whether it's working out, meditating, or just getting some fresh air, they understand the importance of starting your day off right. Number 4, they take care of their health. Millionaires know that your health is your wealth, so they prioritize their physical and mental health. This means eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep. Number 3, they focus on what's important. Millionaires aren't good at everything, but they are good at focusing on what's important. They know how to prioritize tasks and delegate the rest. Number 2, they automate their finances. Millionaires don't think about money. They let their money work for them. They invest in things like real estate, stocks and bonds, and then they let those investments grow. Number 1, they surround themselves with positive people. Millionaires know that your network is your net worth, so they make sure to surround themselves with people who are supportive and encouraging. Now, if you want to become a millionaire, then you need to start thinking like one. So implement these hacks into your daily routine and watch what happens. Comment your favorite hack, hit that like button, and subscribe for more success secrets.